In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use groups, also known as tags, in Mailerlite Classic. Whether you are managing a small or large email list, effectively organizing your subscribers can make a world of difference in personalizing communication and optimizing your marketing efforts. Now, let's walk through this process step by step to ensure you fully understand how to utilize this powerful tool. First, head over to the Mailerlite website. Once you're there, the main page is designed to help you create email marketing that your audience will love. However, our focus today is on organizing your audience by using groups. So let's get started. Locate and click on the Login button. You will typically find this on the top right corner of the website. If you haven't logged in yet, this will direct you to the login screen where you can enter your credentials. Alternatively, you can streamline this process by selecting Sign In with Google, a handy feature if you want to save time and ensure seamless and secure access. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to the Subscribers section. This is your hub for managing and analyzing subscriber data. It's the perfect area to tweak and optimize how you manage your email contacts. Click on subscribers and you will be taken to a comprehensive dashboard. This is where the magic happens when it comes to organizing your contacts into meaningful groups. Next, find the groups option. Click on groups to begin managing tags effectively. Groups in Mailerlite function like folders to categorize your subscribers. They enable you to segment them for targeted campaigns, making sure your messaging hits the right audience. Once in the group section, look for the Create Group button. By clicking on it, you're on the path to organizing your contacts according to similar interests, behaviors, or demographics, which can greatly enhance your marketing strategies. Give your group a name that clearly represents the subscribers it holds. The naming can be based on demographics, interests, or any other factor relevant to your marketing goals. Being clear and specific with group names helps in quickly identifying the target audience for your campaigns and minimizes confusion down the road. Finally, click on the Create button to finalize your new group. You've now successfully created a group in Mailerlite Classic. With this structured organization, sending personalized, relevant, and timely emails to your subscribers becomes more straightforward than ever. Learning to use groups effectively not only helps in managing your subscribers efficiently, but also drives better engagement through precise targeting. It can be a game changer in your email marketing efforts, paving the way for stronger relationships with your audience. Thank you for watching this guide on using groups in Mailerlite Classic, where better organization leads to greater success.